Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Thursday, April the 15th, 2010, and the market got yet another wake-up call today. That's 2 weeks back-to-back that unemployment initial claims data has actually surprised economists, showing again they are missing the mark here. They're overly optimistic, and that's again 2 weeks back-to-back where they've been nailed, and that's an important item there. I mean, you're seeing this earnings news come out. People keep talking about, okay, this is an improvement over last year. Okay, yeah, it's an improvement over last year. Last year, people were to the point of burying money in the backyard. Okay, of course you've got an improvement there. Go back 2 years and you're still weak. Okay, now when you start seeing unemployment news showing an increase in unemployment, still coming in. It's only so long before you get an uptick in that headline number. I know the headline number is 9.7 or 9.8. I can't remember, but that number could actually tick higher. So uh, when unemployment increases like that, the floor that you're rallying off of, the support, the bottom of this uh, market that we're looking for is rebound. That floor is given away. You're not gonna be, unless you're Jesus, you can't walk on water, so to speak. Okay? So keep an eye on that. If you're not following us on Facebook, you already know that news if you are. So go to follow us on Facebook. You'll get that news and that analysis intraday. So it's pretty awesome there. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That helps us get promoted out there on the net, and that means a lot to us. And again, because you guys have been doing that and telling your friends about us and sharing our videos, we're giving you our free membership to PerfectStockAlert.com. Just go there right now, sign up, and you can get free access, full access to everything that we offer, okay? That's our way of saying thank you for making us successful because of what you do every day. When you share our videos to other people, you're helping us. All right, let's get on with the free analysis. Today's pick is FDS, that's the ticker symbol. So we're looking at the stock is at 75.62. If that's too pricey for you and you prefer stocks around 10 bucks a share, go to our website, sign up for that free membership, and check out our small cap alerts. Okay. If you're not concerned with the price activity, then let's have a look at this chart. We are overbought the slow stotch right there. Okay. We have the inverted hammer signal right here. You also notice this trending pattern right here is the bull trap signal that I've talked about before. Back here is right. It's up, consolidate, up, quasi, up, consolidate. But now we're just doing that bull trap. So right here, I don't trust this move higher. So I want to be shorting that at today's close or higher. 75 is 62. How would you stop this guy out? All right, you could use the previous high, 76.52, so your stop would be 1 cent above that at 76.53. And in this particular case, that might actually work simply because you'll notice this high of 76.52, next high is 76.47, that's lower than this high. And today's intraday high for this candlestick was 76.36, that's even lower. So this resistance line up here is actually holding. So you're trending lower right there, okay? So be watching that. That could actually hold right there. You don't have a lot of risk involved there. That's not too bad. To be able to get in at 75.62, you're risking less than a buck on that, all right? That's not bad at all. She could, again, the market's been fighting and fighting and fighting to go higher and higher and higher, even against the bad news. It tries to shake it off. But like I keep saying over and over, it's going to be short-lived. The end result will be following the fundamentals. If you're not familiar with some fundamentals, watch our nightly market analysis, especially tonight's, because I gave a real simplistic analysis of the fundamentals and how it applies to the chart. So check that out, okay? All right, let's continue on this chart here. We also have, rolling on down, big old sell volume right there, 2 million. So this is a big boy. All right. Hang on a second. Let me shut everybody up. Okay. All right, we have a big player in the market getting out right here. That caused a big gap right there. Gaps get filled, and she came up and she filled that gap. So that's a positive. But now the trade is over, and you'll notice there wasn't a lot of buy volume behind this move. That was just trending higher as the overall market trended higher, so did the individual stock. The old saying, a rising tide lifts all boats, that's applying right here, okay? Let's move on down. You'll notice also the RSI indicator just ticking off the 70 line, just above that. But more importantly, let me get the right tool. Okay, scroll on down again. Look at that. She's trending lower. The RSI is signaling a downtrend right here. Also, low points, trending lower. She signaled a downtrend. Okay, same time, price is trending higher. You always, when you see that, it's called a bearish divergence, and you want to trust the RSI over the price activity. So I would, again, be shorting this stock right here and now. That's a good call in my opinion. Okay, another way to stop this guy out so you don't get stopped out too early just before she pulls back anyway, is to go ahead and advance the stop loss limit. Give yourself a 10% move. Give it some room to breathe. That way, if you get a little surprise news to the upside or something like that tomorrow, you don't get stopped out before she falls anyway. All right? That'd be a way to play that. Again, if you're not a full access member, go to the website. It is free. We are giving it to you. See what's in my portfolio. See what I'm doing there. Check out our small cap alerts. Join our members in our live trading room. Use our message forum. But most importantly, if you're going to help us out at all, it helps us the most if you A, refer a friend, B, go to our Facebook page and become a fan of that page. It's free. Or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Those are the most important things and the best things you can do for us, okay? Remember, the more people we have visiting our site and so forth and so on, we're using our services, the more opportunities we have to bring you more services, all right? So we need you to help us help you. All right, God bless. I'll see you all tomorrow. Be sure to check out that market analysis.